Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't fall. Only when I start filming is when I get problems. I was trying to film how cool I was doing this really fast, and when I hit the record button, I'm not cool anymore. Even though they're blunt, that can still happen. I'm not a baby, I just want to get blood on his really nice briefcase. That'd be a shame, wouldn't it? What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
I got some work for you, bro. Perfect timing. Turn the stand house, bro. All right, come here. I need you to burnish
I'll burn
the strap. I'm gonna let you rivet those in too. That's the shoulder strap.
Okay.
Are you strong enough to
Yes.
clip the brass?
I'm strong enough.
Let me see your muscles right now in front of everybody in the world of YouTube. Whoa. Is it the best bag you've ever seen in your life?
Probably.
You want one? I think
That looks like an executive briefcase.
No, we can make it into a book bag though. You just make it a little more narrow, a little longer. In other words, make it like this. We flip it where the lid's over here. You'll have the nicest book bag ever in the world. It's okay though. Maybe in college.
Yeah.
Like a doctor bag.
Exactly.
I'll make you a doctor bag.
Okay.
We can make it any dimension you want. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You know what I mean?
I get it. All that sandpaper is getting in mine.
Sandpaper is good for your lungs.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it makes you a man. Jeremiah, are you as handsome as me or no? Somebody told me that you're more handsome than me. I don't know if that's true. Alright, we gotta put this together. We gotta put it together. If it breaks, I'm gonna tell the guy it's your fault. Here. Remember how to do it hard.
I know how to do it.
Hold it down hard. Straight down. Let's go. Alright. Now, before you tap it really hard, just make sure that it's straight and and then you do a good tap. You ready to break this? You ready to break it?
I think I'm stronger from the
Let's
cold.
go. Yeah, you're right there. I'll give you a little start.
Alright.
You get more leverage up top. Up top.
Oh yeah.
Squeeze. Let's go. No, you got it. Don't give up.
No, I can't.
All right, let me give you superpowers. I'll do superpowers with you. Ready? Go. Yeah, yo, I didn't do it. I didn't touch it. That was all you. I didn't touch it. I didn't squeeze at all. In fact, I did negative squeeze. I was pushing against it. You actually, you're amazing.
Yeah.
Look at that. Good job, bro.
Thank you.
Let's finish this. So we're at 43, right?
Yeah.
We still have 7 more holes bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 43 to 7 is 50, and then right now it's at 43. Subtract 7 from 43. It's 36. So this goes 36 to 50 inches. In the middle is 43.
Oh, so you're
Let me
right.
show you a cool way of wearing this. You go like this, under your arm, back on itself, and then you take this, put your arm through it like that, and then you walk like a crooked man. Yeah, that's how you work. Now you're filming. All right, film me. Come over here. This is it. This is the last of it right here. This one screw. Can you film in here? Can you lift it up and see what I'm screwing? Can you see this?
No, I can't.
All right, don't worry about it. This is it though, right here. This last little bit, and then we're gonna condition it, and that's it. Try to get my bicep when you do it. Because in order to do it, can you see it?
Yes, see it.
Can you get his bicep behind you?
Come on,
Let's see your
bicep.
bicep. You get my face when I'm screwing this. You gotta do it like that too.
Okay.
All right, let's finish it up. Bye. We're gonna polish this bad boy up. And then, you know how I make the sauce? I work out, and then I use my sweat. That's all my sweat right there. It's actually, the reason why is because all the testosterone in it. It's called man sweat. And whoever uses this bag becomes more of a man. Did you know that?
Yep.
I don't know if you know this, but in Japan, they sell my sweat in the black market for $1 million. And I get like 0.2% of that per year. It's a good deal, I think. You know what I mean? You know what my favorite thing to do is?
You what?
Not make sense at all. I teach my kids that. I gotta undo what mommy did to you. Mommy's trying to make you smart. I want to dumb you down. You know what I mean? Why are you yelling, bro? This is Wickett Craig English Bridle in their chestnut. I use Ritzer Tiger thread, 0.8 millimeter thread, all solid brass rivets, antiqued myself. This bag is 16 inches wide by 12 inches tall. Radius on the flap is a little more masculine. I like that look. The handle is reinforced with polyester webbing in between the handles. There's a spot here, I'll show you. It's designed for a fish hook right there. Little strap right here, what it's designed for is to reinforce when you're opening and closing the bag. It's about 4 inches wide, comes with these D-rings inside. D-rings inside and outside. This strap is adjustable from 36 inches to 50 inches. I need a thumbnail, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, guys. I'm editing the video now, and I realize I'm not at 10 minutes, and I have to make it reach 10 minutes so I can get the most advertisement out of you guys. That's what this part's for. Just being honest. Bye.